Hello everyone, welcome to this daily update on Money Square YouTube channel. Watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead with gold. Let's see what gold is doing. From monthly time frame still has not formed a top wick, and we're approaching the support. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Yeah, we're tapping still around this support on a weekly. Daily is inside this range that after we tap this support we start playing around inside this range. So but I believe as soon as we respect the previous lower highs on the daily and breaking the lower lows, I think we have still a bit more room to continue. However, we need to be very cautious. On the 4-hour we have this range on gold that price finally closed below this range here if we check body to body. And if the last 2 hours of this 4-hour candle are bearish, we can potentially have a setup. Yes, it is a bearish. We need to wait for the wick to form, break of the lows, and then maybe we can have some sells. But we need to be very cautious and understanding that we're in a support region, so we might need to be very cautious on sells as well and wait for very good continuation. 1 hour is still in this range. For 30 minute is again in this range, so I would prefer price to come here, tap this level, make a wick, come back below, close below this range, this 30 minute, and then next 30 minute as soon as we close, I believe we should have a breakout candle to the downside. Anticipating momentum, we tapped this resistance 3-4 times already. That was previously support, and we failed to break above, and we also tapped this support 4 times now, and finally we break to the downside. We have this lower high here, so technically as long as we respect this lower high, we should continue to the downside. But the stop loss is very big if you check on these highs. The stop loss here is very big compared to the next region of support that we have on the left side. So we need to be very cautious, wait for confirmations. And yeah, now as you can see on 15 minute we have a support 15-minute candle, which is very small because it's just like resting. So I believe as soon as if we break these highs, come back inside the range, come and break the lows, then we will have a nice clean candle to a downside. If not, we may again tap in this, come back inside this range, wick to the downside, break the highs, and then test again this support since we have this clean traffic to the left hand side. So I'm gonna wait for these both setups, and but I'm gonna wait very cautious because it's now 3 o'clock. New York Open has happened. We have New York Stock Exchange open in the next 30 minutes, which may bring some volume and give us a nice anticipation. I'm gonna put some alert to the upside and alert here to the downside, and then we're gonna wait. Maybe let me check 15 minute. No, I want this alert on the break of the lows of the 15 minute. And yeah, I'm gonna wait for these to happen first for analyzing the next move on the market. If we go, let's go in GJ monthly is bearish. Weekly is bearish, but now is back inside this range or this support. Daily has closed bullish inside the range above, but we didn't break the previous daily highs. I believe now if we come up and break these highs, we may tap this support. If not, if we close inside this range, that is indecision based on daily. Let's go to 4-hour. 4-hour is tap this resistance and still inside this range here. I don't like it at all. I would prefer breakout to the upside, come back, form wick, and then break the highs, and then continuation to this level to clean this traffic. If not, if we come above, close again inside, close back inside the range, form a wick, then break the lows, then we may have a candle to test this support again, and that will close daily bearish. If we come up, if this scenario happens here, for example, we will have a bullish candle daily closure, so that would mean that would correlate with breaking the highs here and then continuation to this resistance. On the 4-hour time, on the 1-hour time frame, sorry, 1-hour time frame, we just have a range like below here. You don't want to mess with this. We may adjust a bit support, maybe put an alert here. If we break below here, come back, wick, break the lows of this breakout candle closure, but we need to close, we must close below here and break the lows of that candle. After forming a wick, we may have a candle to tap this support. If not, for the upside, we can wait for here, but here and here is like 20 pip, 20-30 pip, but then you have this 40-50 pip range, and I don't want to take trades close to the resistance. I'd rather wait for breakout, forming wick, then breaking the highs, because only breakout, as you can see here, without forming wick, without breaking the highs, if immediately after breakout you would have entered, you would have got stopped out. And that's why we need a breakout, form a wick on the next candle to a downside, come and break the highs of the previous of the breakout candle, and then we may have buys, potentially runners still here, which is like 100 pips, and first target would probably be around this level right before this resistance, which would mean around 60 pips. So it's a nice region here. I'm gonna put an alert here, so as soon as we have this breakout, I want to be notified. I have an alert to the downside, and yeah, that's my plan for today. This video maybe is a bit short, but maybe it's more convenient for you guys. And thank you for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Do not miss these videos. Bye bye.